Hello everyone. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma and I'm back with second part of the lesson The Happy Prince. In the first part we studied about the story of the statue of the Happy Prince. There came a little swallow and how that little swallow helped the seamstress by providing the red ruby to her. Now the swallow has returned to the statue of the Happy Prince. What happens next? Let's see. When day broke, he flew down to the river and had a bath. Day broke the next morning. When he woke up, he went to the river. He flew to the river and had a bath. Who? The little swallow. Tonight I go to Egypt. He said to himself that night he would go to Egypt. And he was in high spirits at the prospect. He was very happy. He was excited in high spirits. He was excited at the prospect, at this possibility, thinking about this thing that he would go to Egypt. He visited all the monuments and sat a long time on the top of the church steeple. He visited all the monuments in the city, all those old buildings, and sat on a long time on the top of the church steeple. What is church steeple? Here you can see in the picture. This is church steeple. This portion is church steeple. When the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. At night time, he flew back to the happy prince to say him goodbye. He wanted to go to Egypt and he visited the happy prince, the statue of the happy prince, to say him goodbye, to bid him. Have you any commissions for Egypt? Commissions, messages. Have you any commissions for Egypt? He cried. I'm just starting. Do you have any message for Egypt? He said that going. He was going to start. वो बस तैयार ही था जाने के लिए. What do you think? जा पाएगा वो? Let's see. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Will you stay with me one night longer? एक रात और रुक जाओ. Stay with me one more night. बस एक रात की बात है, मेरा ये काम कर दो और फिर तुम चले जाना. Who said so? The happy prince. Actually, the statue of the happy prince. I'm waited for in Egypt. The same refrain, the same line is repeated. Answered the swallow. I'm waited for in Egypt. वहां मेरा इंतजार हो रहा है. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. Far away across the city, I see a young man in a garret. Now that happy prince started speaking. Far away across the city, I see a young man. It tells the life, the misery life of a man who is in a garret. Now, what is this garret? This place, as you can see in the picture, a miserable place, जिसको हिंदी में काल कोठरी जैसा भी बोल सकते हैं आप, जहाँ अब पर्याप्त जगह आपके लिए न हो बैठने की, सोने की. Such place is known as garret. So he told, there is a man in a garret. He is leaning over a desk. That man is leaning over a desk covered with papers. He is leaning over a desk which is covered with, there are many papers on the desk. And in the glass by his side, there is a bunch of विदर्ड वायलेट्स। जो डेस्क है उस पे क्या है? डेस्क इज कवर्ड विद पेपर्स, while in the glass by his side, there is a glass beside him, there is a bunch of withered violets. These are violet flowers. There is a bunch of withered means dried. These violets are dried, which are at the table by his side, by the side of the man. Where? In the glass. His hair is brown and crisp. Whose hair is brown and crisp? The hair of that man who is sitting on the desk, beside his desk. His hair is brown and crisp, brown in color, crisp, rough, रूखा, dry, and his lips are red as a pomegranate, बिल्कुल अनार के दाने जैसे, red as pomegranate, and he has large and dreamy eyes. How are the eyes mentioned? The man had large and dreamy eyes. He is trying to finish a play. What is he trying to do? He is trying to finish a play for the director of the theater. He is trying to finish the play for the director of the theater, but he is too cold to write anymore. लेकिन ठंडी की वजह से वो लिख नहीं पा रहा. ही इज टू कोल्ड. इतना ज्यादा ठंडा है, वो ठंडी लग रही है उसको कि वो लिख नहीं पा रहा है. देर इज नो फायर इन द ग्रेट. और आग दान में, ग्रेट इज द फायर प्लेस, ग्रेट को हम बोलेंगे फायर प्लेस. एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, इन यूरोपियन houses such grates are made in the wall. There is no fire in the grate. ग्रेट में आग नहीं है क्योंकि उसके पास पैसे नहीं हैं. इसी वजह से वो अपने जो राइटिंग है, प्ले है, उसको पूरा नहीं कर पा रहा है ठंडी की वजह से. ही इज अनेबल टू राइट एनी मोर एंड हंगर हैज मेड हिम फेंट. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ हंगर, भूख ने उसे क्या बना दिया है? फेंट, अनकॉन्सियस, बेहोश बना दिया है. आई विल वेट विद यू वन नाइट लॉन्गर, said the swallow who really had a good heart. Listening the story of that man in the garret, that swallow decided to stay one more night. Who really had a good heart. It seemed that he had a very good heart. He asked if he should take another ruby to the young playwright. He asked the prince whether he should take the other ruby, another ruby, to the young playwright. Alas, so sad I am. I have no ruby now. The prince said, दुख की बात है, मुझे खेद है, but I don't have any other ruby. Said the prince, my eyes are all that I have left. Now I have my sapphire eyes, made of sapphires. They are made of rare sapphires. These eyes are made of rare sapphires, which were brought out of India 1,000 years ago, which are brought from India 1,000 years ago. He ordered the swallow to pluck out one of them and take it to the playwright. He ordered. अब उसने swallow से कहा, उस बर्ड से कहा, टाइनी बर्ड से, मेरी एक आंख निकाल लो और ले जा करके उसे उस प्ले राइट को, उस राइटर को दे दो. प्ले राइटर, ही विल सेल इट टू द ज्वेलर. वो उसको बेच देगा, ज्वेलर को दे देगा. एंड बाई फायरवुड एंड फिनिश हिज प्ले, ही सेड. स्टैचू ने बोला कि मेरी एक आंख निकाल करके ले जाके उसे दे दो, वो बेचेगा और फिर फायरवुड खरीदेगा और अपना प्ले पूरा कर लेगा. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड हियर. अब प्रिंस मर चुका है, उसका स्टैचू सारी चीज़ें देखता है, उसको अपनी कंट्रीमैन के दुख दर्द बर्दाश्त नहीं होते हैं, तो वो उनके लिए कुछ करना चाहता है। डियर प्रिंस, सेड द swallow, आई कैन नॉट डू दैट। swallow ने कहा, ऐ प्यारे राजकुमार, आई कैन नॉट डू दैट। एंड ही बिगन टू वीप, स्टार्टेड क्राइंग, रोने लगा। swallow swallow little swallow, said the prince, do as I command you। डू एज आई कमांड यू, जैसे मैंने कहा है वैसे ही करो, चिंता की जरूरत नहीं है। सो द swallow plucked out the prince eyes, आंखें निकाल लिया एक की, उसने एक आंख निकाल ली। एंड फ्लू अवे टू द यंग मैन्स garret, flew to that place where that young man was lying, sitting. It was very easy to get in. It was easy enough to get in, as there was a hole in the roof. Why? Because there was a hole in the roof. Through this he darted. He entered like a missile. जैसे गोली या मिसाइल अंदर सीधे जाती है. He darted in and came into the room. The young man had his head buried in his hands. You can see the picture. The young man had his head buried in his hands, just like this man. So he did not hear the flutter of the bird's wings. That is why he could not hear the fluttering sound of the bird's wings. And when he looked up, he found the beautiful sapphire lying on the withered violets. When he came into senses, when he looked up, he found the beautiful sapphire lying on the withered violets. Violets I have shown you, small flowers. I am beginning to be appreciated, he cried. He was very happy. I am beginning to be appreciated. This is from some great admirer. This has been given to me by some great admirer of mine. किसी खास प्रशंसक ने मुझे ये दिया है. Now I can finish my play. अब मैं अपना प्ले पूरा कर सकता हूँ. And he looked quite happy. He was very happy. He looked very happy. The next day the swallow flew down to the harbor. अगले दिन वो हार्बर यानी बंदरगाह, जो समुद्र का किनारा है या नदी का किनारा जो भी वहाँ था, he went there. He sat on the mast of a large vessel and watched the sailors working. जाता है मास्ट, आई टोल्ड यू, शिप में जो ये पोल होता है शिप पे, that is known as mast. He sat over there and watched the sailors working. I am going to Egypt, cried the swallow, but nobody minded. सब अपने काम में लगे हुए थे. वो चिल्लाया, मैं इजिप्ट जा रहा हूँ, लेकिन किसी ने नहीं सुना. And when the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince. Once again at night time, because it was time to go for him to Egypt, he came to visit, meet the happy prince. I have come to bid you goodbye, he said. अब मैं आया हूँ तुमसे विदा लेने के लिए. He cried, swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince. फिर से एक बार प्रिंस ने कहा, ऐ छोटे swallow, ऐ चिड़िया, will you not stay with me one night longer? एक रात और नहीं रुक सकते? It is winter, answered the swallow. At this point, swallow answered, it is winter time and the snow will soon be here. जल्दी ही बर्फ गिरने लगेगी. इन इजिप्ट द सन इज वार्म ऑन द ग्रीन पाम ट्रीज। इजिप्ट में देखो कितना बढ़िया सुहावना मौसम है। ग्रीन पाम ट्रीज पे, ताड़ के पेड़ों पर सनलाइट पड़ रही है। एंड द क्रोकोडाइल्स लाई इन द मड एंड लुक लेजली अबाउट देम। और जो क्रोकोडाइल्स हैं वो कीचड़ में पड़े हुए हैं, बड़े मस्त लग रहे हैं, आलसीपन दिखा रहे हैं। इन द स्क्वायर बिलो सेड द हैप्पी प्रिंस। इन द स्क्वायर बिलो, स्क्वायर मीन्स चौराहा, said the happy prince, there stands a little match girl। नीचे एक मैच गर्ल, एक माचिस बेचने वाली लड़की दिख रही है। She has let her matches fall in the gutter। Her matches have fallen into the gutter and they are all spoiled। और भीगने की वजह से सब खराब हो गए। Her father will beat her if she does not bring home some money। And if she does not bring some money to home, her father would surely beat her। अब उसकी मदद करनी है तुमको। And she is crying, वो रो भी रही है। She has no shoes or stockings। उसके पास जूते नहीं हैं, मोजे नहीं हैं। And her little head is bare। उसका छोटा सा सिर वो भी बेयर है, मतलब उस पे कोई कैप नहीं है। She doesn't have any cap। Pluck out my other eye। मेरी दूसरी आंख निकाल लो। एंड गिव इट टू हर, उसे दे दो। एंड हर फादर विल नॉट बीट हर, तब उसके पापा उसको नहीं मारेंगे। आई विल स्टे विद यू वन नाइट लॉन्गर सेड द स्वेलो, बट आई कैन नॉट प्लक आउट योर आई। एक दिन और रुक जाऊंगा, एक रात और रुक जाऊंगा तुम्हारे साथ, लेकिन आंख निकालने के लिए मत कहो। यू वुड बी क्वाइट ब्लाइंड देन, तब तो तुम अंधे हो जाओगे। Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, do as I command you। जैसे मैं कहता हूँ वैसे ही करो। So he plucked out the prince's other eye and darted down with it। दूसरी आंख निकाला, बिल्कुल मिसाइल की तरह से सीधे नीचे जाता है। He swooped past, swooped, flew past the match girl, बिल्कुल बगल से, and slipped the jewel into the palm of her hand। उसके हाथों में गिरा देता है दैट जेवल, वो जेम, दैट सफायर। What a lovely bit of glass, cried the little girl, and she ran home laughing। When she found it, she was very happy, and she exclaimed it was a lovely bit of glass। She ran home laughing. Then the swallow came back to the prince। You are blind now, he said, so I'll stay with you always। अब तो तुम अंधे हो गए, अब मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ ही रहूंगा प्रिंस। नो लिटिल swallow, said the poor prince, you must go away to Egypt। तुम्हें इजिप्ट जाना चाहिए। योर फ्रेंड्स आर वेटिंग देयर। नो, I'll stay with you always, said the swallow, and he slept at the prince's feet। swallow ने कहा नहीं, मैं अब नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं यहीं रहूंगा तुम्हारे साथ, और फिर उसके पैरों में सो गया। रिमेनिंग स्टोरी इन थर्ड पार्ट। थैंक यू।